Good morning guys. In today's video we will be repairing the Xbox S. This Xbox S is displaying the error syndrome when the Xbox is turned on. It shuts off with a beep and is unable to display on the TV. The owner believes the problem may be with the power supply unit, the PSU. So the machine has already been inspected by the owner. And it was found that the warranty seal is broken and the screws have been unscrewed. This is the power supply unit, the PSU. After examining the PSU, it was found that one side of the pins had ground and the other side only had 12 volts. Black wires show the ground and grey wires for 12 volts. The repair process involved taking apart the entire console, including disconnecting the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi module, unlocking a locked metal clip, and removing the fan and heatsink. And the motherboard is now outside of the machine. As we need to remove the fan and heatsink, we must unclip the X clamp as well. Oh my god, it needs cleaning. If you need to check the available power in the GPU section of the APU, all these inductors are getting the input switching signal from each of the MOSFET's output, in which the input switching signal drives the gate of MOSFETs, which in turn control the flow of current through the inductors. The inductors store energy in magnetic form and release it to the load as needed. Each inductor has its switching FET. And here one FET is switching for this inductor and the other is for this inductor. And all the FETs are being switched by this PWM chip, including these three. However, the problem could be in the RAMs section. During the repair, it was discovered that rust was present in the RAMs section, causing some of the components to be damaged. These components are the biases for this RAM. Here I need to scratch the rust out. The rusty area was cleaned and the damaged components were replaced with ones from a donor board. Each RAM has a pair of resistances. The resistors have also changed their values due to rust. Each pair is at 500 ohms. So I have to replace both of them with a donor motherboard. I replaced both resistors from the Xbox One RAM section as I don't have any new resistances. Let's check it back after connecting the HDD and the PSU. I must place a heatsink on the APU. Something has gone wrong. Okay, no worries. Here I need to check the volts for the biases. I have connected the ground from the oscilloscope. One of the resistance is not getting volts on its terminal from the RAM's logic. Yes, it is. Yes, I have found that one of the terminals of the resistance is not soldered to the pad. That's it. Now all is good. A small amount of thermal paste was also applied to prevent it from shutting off quickly in the future. After assembling the console, I plugged in the power and the HDMI cables. I powered on the console. And the display appeared. The display appears indicating that the console is now fixed. And the display is still on the screen. Thank you for watching and may you be blessed. Goodbye.